Stable battery material transfer starts with tray datum, pick-place takt, in-place detection, and safety distance. If tray gaps, material posture, or arrival signals drift, the cell can wait, collide, or place parts incorrectly. In the footage, the robot transfers material within a fixed area, so tray location and pickup points matter. EVST checks tray limits, gripper protection, conveyor timing, safety boundary, and reject routes together. A common mistake is calculating only robot cycle time while ignoring upstream and downstream accumulation. A stable cell links tray feeding, robot pickup, placement, detection, safety distance, and abnormal handling. This fits battery turnover, tray loading, new energy material transfer, and multi-station handoff. EVST can configure robot reach, gripper, tray interface, conveyor logic, and acceptance tests around cell takt.